Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
Hey everyone! Imagine this. Cold calling is one of the most painful and time-consuming parts of growing a business. But what if you could automate it completely? What if an AI could make those calls for you, respond to objections in real time, and book appointments while you focus on closing deals? That's exactly what Flowzex does. And I'm not talking about those robotic auto-dialers that people hang up on instantly. I'm talking about AI that sounds so natural, most people on the other end of the line can't even tell they're talking to a machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how Flowzex works, why it's changing the way people generate leads, and how you can start using it today to grow your business or make money online. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, agency owner, or just looking for smarter ways to generate leads, this software will open your eyes to what's possible in 2025. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Let's start by listening to an outbound call made by the Flowzex AI agent.
Hello, is this Jake?
Yep.
Hi there, this is Mike calling from Remac. I understand you've been considering various properties. Are you at the point of actively searching for a home, or are you still weighing your options?
I'm just browsing right now.
That's understandable. Buying a home is a big decision, and it's important to take your time and make sure you're ready before you take the plunge. I can help you assess your financial situation and make sure you're in a good position to buy.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that would help.
Great. I'd be happy to help you with that, to provide you with the most fitting selections. Could I ask what type of property you're primarily interested in? For instance, are we focusing on condos, townhouses, or detached homes?
I'm focusing on condos, primarily in downtown Toronto.
Condos are a great choice for downtown living. They're typically more affordable than detached homes, and they offer a variety of amenities such as gyms, pools, and security. To further narrow down our search, are there specific features you're prioritizing? This could be things like proximity to schools, a particular number of bedrooms, or perhaps a garden space.
Well, I think it's important that it's close to a public transportation.
That's a great point. Public transportation is a great way to get around downtown Toronto. It's also a more affordable option than owning a car. Thank you for sharing that. See, we have a range of condos that match your criteria. Meeting with one of our expert agents would be extremely beneficial for you. They can offer extensive insights in present homes that fit your needs. I'd like to propose setting up a consultation. Would any specific day or time work best for you?
Yeah, I think Wednesday, 10 a.m. would work the best.
Great. I'll book you in for a consultation with one of our expert agents on Wednesday at 10 a.m. They'll be able to help you find the perfect condo in downtown Toronto. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact.
Thanks, man.
As you can hear, our AI agent can seamlessly book hundreds of appointments each month on your behalf. Let's be honest about cold calling for a minute. We all know it's a numbers game, but it's a painful one. The constant rejection, the awkward silences, the rude hang-ups. I remember when I first started my business, I'd spend hours every day just dialing numbers, and by the end of the week, I'd have maybe 2 or 3 qualified leads. It was soul-crushing. And if you've ever tried to hire people to do your cold calling, you know how that goes. You spend thousands hiring and training a sales team, only to have half of them quit within the first month. The ones who stay might not follow your script correctly, or they call in sick on your busiest days. It's a management nightmare. But here's the biggest issue that most businesses face: follow-up speed. Studies show that if you don't contact a lead within the first 5 minutes of them showing interest, your chances of connecting drop by over 80%. But who has a sales team ready to pounce 24/7? It's just not realistic for most businesses. This is exactly why Flowzex was built, to solve these exact problems using AI. So what is Flowzex exactly? At its core, Flowzex is an AI-powered cold calling software that uses intelligent voice agents to make outbound calls and have natural, human-like conversations with potential customers. And the best part? It's a complete done-for-you platform. Once you sign up, the Flowzex team handles the entire setup process for you. You don't need to figure out complicated software or spend weeks learning a new system. Their team of experts takes care of everything. These aren't just pre-recorded messages or simple decision trees. The AI is designed to follow custom scripts that the Flowzex team creates based on your business needs. They handle setting up the objection responses and lead qualification process just like a human sales rep would, sometimes even better. Unlike traditional auto dialers or voice drops that people instantly recognize as spam, Flowzex offers a fully interactive conversation. The AI listens, responds appropriately, and can even adjust its tone based on how the conversation is going. And the best part? It works 24/7, never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and never has a bad day. It'll make calls while you're sleeping, while you're at the gym, or while you're busy closing the deals it generated for you yesterday. As your business grows, you don't need to worry about hiring more people. Just let the Flowzex team know and they'll scale up your campaigns. One user shared how adopting Flowzex transformed their outreach strategy. Their daily call volume skyrocketed 10 times, from 50 calls to over 500, while their appointment rate improved significantly, thanks to the AI's ability to consistently execute an optimized, data-driven script. The impact was immediate. Within just 2 weeks of using the platform, they secured a $90,000 real estate transaction directly from a cold lead. Now, let's break down exactly how Flowzex works. I want to walk you through the process step by step so you can see just how simple it is to get started. First, you simply sign up and have an onboarding call with the Flowzex team. During this call, they'll discuss your business goals, target audience, and the specifics of your offer. This is where you share your expertise about your business, and they handle translating that into an effective calling strategy. Next, you provide your leads or discuss how you'll source them. Flowzex makes this super easy. You can either share a CSV file with your contact list, or they can help you integrate directly with your CRM system. Once your leads are in the system, the Flowzex team customizes your campaign. This is where their expertise really shines. They'll select the ideal AI voice for your industry and target audience, whether that's professional and authoritative or friendly and conversational. They can even choose different accents if you're targeting specific regions. Then comes the script development. The Flowzex team creates custom scripts based on your offer and their experience with what works. They map out the main pitch, potential objections, and responses to those objections. You don't have to worry about being a sales expert. They handle all of that for you. What's amazing about their approach is that they include branching logic. For example, if the prospect says they're not interested in solar panels because their roof doesn't get enough sun, the AI knows to pivot to a specific response about how modern panels work even in partial shade. After setting up your campaign, the Flowzex team launches it for you. And here's where it gets really cool. You can watch these calls happen in real time if you want to. The dashboard they set up for you shows active calls, completed calls, and appointments booked. For the calls that result in appointments or qualified leads, Flowzex automatically adds them to your calendar or CRM. No manual data entry required. For calls that don't convert, the system logs the reason why, giving you valuable insights that the Flowzex team uses to continuously improve your campaign. Let me share a real example. My friend John runs a local home services business. Before Flowzex, he was spending about 3 hours every evening making follow-up calls to leads who'd requested quotes on his website. Most of the time, he couldn't reach everyone in a single day, meaning some leads went cold. He signed up for Flowzex and had his onboarding call the next day. Within 48 hours, the Flowzex team had set up his entire campaign. The AI started calling his leads immediately after they requested a quote, even at 2 a.m. Within the first week, his appointment rate doubled simply because the follow-up was happening within minutes instead of hours or days. Even more impressive, the AI was booking appointments directly into his calendar while he was working on other jobs. He'd finish up at one house and see that 3 more appointments had been booked while he was working. It completely transformed his business. And the best part? He didn't have to learn any new software or spend time setting anything up. The Flowzex team handled it all. So who exactly is Flowzex for? Let's break it down. If you're running an agency, Flowzex is a game changer. Their team can create custom campaigns for each of your clients, scaling your outreach without you having to scale your team. Imagine being able to tell potential clients that you can make thousands of calls on their behalf without hiring a single additional person. For solo entrepreneurs, this done-for-you platform is like having both a full-time sales team and a sales operations expert without the overhead. You can focus on what you do best, whether that's creating content, developing products, or delivering services, while the Flowzex team and their AI handle the lead generation. Local businesses benefit enormously from the fast follow-up capabilities. Whether you're a real estate agent, financial advisor, or run a service business, Being the first to respond to a lead often means winning the business. And for online marketers looking to diversify their income streams, Flowzex offers an opportunity to create a done-for-you lead generation service. You can partner with Flowzex to set up campaigns for clients and charge a premium for the leads or appointments delivered, all without doing the actual cold calling yourself or having to learn complex systems. The bottom line is, if your business depends on a consistent flow of leads, Flowzex removes the most painful part of that process, and their team handles all the technical aspects for you. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like other automated calling solutions I've heard about, but Flowzex stands apart in several key ways. First, the quality of the voice AI is in a different league. These aren't robotic voices that instantly signal to the person on the other end that they're talking to a machine. The voices are natural, with appropriate pauses. Second, the real-time two-way conversation capability is revolutionary. The AI doesn't just follow a script, it listens and adapts. If someone asks a question the AI wasn't explicitly programmed to answer, it can still generate an appropriate response using its understanding of your business and offer. Third, you don't need any technical skills to get started. The platform is truly done for you. The Flowzex team handles the entire setup, configuration, and optimization process on your behalf. You don't need to be a developer or even tech-savvy to benefit from this advanced technology. Fourth, the scalability is unmatched. Want to double your outreach? Just let the Flowzex team know, and they'll adjust your settings. No hiring, no training, no management headaches. And finally, Flowzex is built on the latest advancements in voice AI technology. The team behind it is constantly updating the models to make them more natural and effective. When you subscribe, you're not just getting today's technology, you're getting all the improvements they'll make in the future, all implemented for you automatically. So let's recap what we've covered today. Cold calling has traditionally been one of the most time-consuming and soul-crushing aspects of growing a business. But with Flowzex, you can now automate this process with human-like AI agents that have real conversations with your prospects. These AI agents work 24/7, follow custom scripts perfectly every time, and can scale up or down based on your needs. They save you time, increase your lead conversions through faster follow-up, and free you up to focus on the parts of your business that you actually enjoy. And remember, this is a completely done-for-you solution. The Flowzex team handles the entire setup process, from creating your scripts to configuring your campaigns to optimizing for better results. You don't have to become a technical expert or spend weeks learning a complicated system. The results speak for themselves. Users are reporting 2 to 3 times more appointments, significant cost savings compared to hiring sales reps, and the ability to respond to leads within minutes instead of hours. If you're ready to automate your cold calls and take your lead generation to the next level, go to flowzex.com and book your free demo. See for yourself how this done-for-you AI software can help you grow your business faster, with less effort. And if you're thinking of waiting, just remember that your competitors are probably watching this video too. The early adopters of this technology are going to have a massive advantage in the market. Don't let that be someone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming content on the latest tools to grow your business and make money online. Peace.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.